Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum Assalam. Good morning. How are you?
I'm really doing great. How are you?
I'm also really doing great. May I know your full name, please?
Yes, sure. My full name is Minhajuddin Simon.
What's your nickname?
You can call me Minhaj.
How will you introduce yourself?
I'm a student and I completed my SSC examination from 𝐒𝐲𝐨𝐤𝐞𝐧 High School and College. And I'm from Mohammedpur, Hathajari. My father's name is Abdul Mannan. He's an expatriate and I have one brother. That's all about myself.
Well, what is your interesting hobby?
My interesting hobby is teaching.
Okay, what do you like it?
I like it from my childhood and I am enjoying it.
Okay, how many siblings do you have?
I have one brother.
Okay, what is he?
He is a student.
Well, what is your future plan?
I'd like to be an engineer in my future.
Well, how will you describe your daily life?
At first, I get up early in the morning, and after getting up, I freshen myself and take my breakfast. After taking my breakfast, I will walk for some time. Then I come back home, and I get ready to come to Prime. And I come to Prime at morning. Then I study at Prime. I returned home from Prime at 2 p.m. After returning home, I freshen myself and take my lunch. Then I take a short nap. In the afternoon, I play cricket with my friends. And at evening, I come back home and sit for study. At 10 a.m., I take dinner and go for sleep.
Thank you very much. May I have a few questions about Prime English Academy?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Well, do you come to Prime on time?
Yes, sir, I come to Prime on time.
Do you love to practice spoken English at your class?
Yes, sir, I really love to practice English in my class.
Okay, do you listen to your teacher attentively in the classroom?
Yes, sir, I really listen to my teachers in the classroom.
Okay, if you don't understand any question from a class, do you ask it to your teacher in the classroom?
Yes, I do.
Okay, do the teachers of Prime English Academy teach you Korean?
Yes, they are very friendly and they are very talented teachers in the Prime English Academy.
Well, do they get proper opportunities from Prime to practice or to learn English language?
Yes, I have got a lots of opportunities and a lots of facilities from Prime.
Okay, would you like to continue your class?
Yes, I like.
Okay, thank you very much for being with me.
Assalamu
Thank you very much. Okay.